Basandwane nkomoza malobolo noma bengathini ngami emndenini wakho bazobona ngami sengifika nenkomoza malobolo bayeke santwa ngiyasangisolobola bayeke santwa ngiyasangisolobola bayeke santwa ngiyasangisolobola bayeke santwa ngiyasangisolobola.
Give me 50 grand, nigga bako, beba hope grand, sumo mako. Give me 50 grand, nigga bako, beba hope grand, sumo mako. Give me 50 grand, nigga bako, beba hope grand, sumo mako. Give me 50 grand, nigga bako. Beba hope grand, sumo mako.
Mtana matu mhle, ngelo ngangipho. Sphala phala nje, wena umakho. Address biza bakho, sahle kodwa makho. Sikho sifela basibo, sweet la wena ngelo. Mtana matu mhle, ngelo ngangipho. Sphala phala nje, wena umakho. Address biza bakho, sahle kodwa makho. Sikho sifela basibo, sweet la wena ngelo.
Give me 50 grand, nigga bako, beba hope grand.
So sipakathi second interview so bama interview la sazoba mnandi 50 grand. That is well respected.
What's happening and welcome to another episode of Mkhulu and shout out for tuning in. My friends, it's Mkhulu, the loudest show in the country, channel 2611 KZN. My friends, come along with some strengths. So I'm just gonna go straight into it. My friends, I'm not gonna spoil it for anyone. My friends, I wanna say, urban stand up, I bring you Mkhulu. Danko.
That's it, wait.
Good man, man. Easy.
Chabeluba khona la ekhaya. Bekelela nabalaleli engibuzushawa aka abaningi so nami ke uMzulu ke aka Guru aka Mkhulu ngithi nje angibingelela abalaleli sibonga ukuba khona la ekhaya.
Yeah, shout out Yazi. Jabulu was here. I actually get a chance to sit down and talk to you because it's not something money. It's a journey worth hearing about.
Yes.
You've done a lot. You've been around in the industry, but I wanna start. What was going on at that time?
Okay. Maybe ngizokhala ukuthi iSpace Records. iSpace Records. So iSpace Records bekuyikhampani esiqale ngamashu. Iqalwe yimina noZama. Ndozo zakho later on saheda nomunye mfowethu ngale laphana. So iSpace Records siproduce uZakwe, producer uDanke. So sasebenza kakhulu ke nabanye abafowethu. Okay Master noMzulu bebevela lapha nalapha yabo. I'm not putting this but that's it. My next single lezophuma ibizwa ngoThutshwala. You might see igama leThutshwala.
Something.
Mkhulu sesiba ngotshwala kanjani manje. So but like sometimes ngisazi ukuthi ngiyaphiya ngotshwala ngiyamflopisa kanjani. The next thing ntambama usiyafhlaba yabo. But again labana ngizama ukuveza iside lateral sometimes ukuthi lesiaffecta kanjani sabantu yabo. You can lose your wife, you can lose your house, you can lose friends, you can lose the spine yabo. Another song we're doing with Supremes Bongundali, another song doing with Sky Wanda nakhona siyabonga emathongo ethu siyabonga uMdali yabo. Nje abalaleli bacheke abasilandele futhi nama socials mawusesho Mkhulu uzobona nane profile pic lapha lethe 50 grand Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. Mkhulu uyamthola.
This one, yeah, I'm gonna say that a little bit because I really enjoyed myself. Thank you very much. It's been Mzulu, it's been loud, it's been the show that you guys know, and we want to say thank you very much for tuning in, and do tune in tomorrow, Bafethu. We're bringing you more talent from La, KZN, Bafethu. That's what's in. I'm going to get you a simple later, until the next one.
Go. Mkhulu, 50 grand. Diga bakho. And Sando Poli interview la, KZN TV Umsindo with my man Benson. It's been a beautiful interview. There's a born on the screen very soon. Yeah. 50 grand.
50